Best Wrist Dive Computers. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Here I am back with an exciting video in which I will talk about the best wrist dive computers. Wrist dive computers are unique, stylish, and the most outdated gadgets one can easily go through. But there are different kinds of wrist dive computers in the market. So here I will share a collection of the best ones you can easily purchase according to your preferences. So, if you like this video, do not forget to thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel right now. Now, without any further delay, let's check what we have at number 1. Number 1, Cressi Donatello. As the oldest scuba gear manufacturer in the world, Cressi deserves its position as a market leader, as the enterprise offers a wide range of products, from the entry-level Giotto to its most famous model, the Leonardo. Building on the success of Leonardo, Cressi introduces its successor, the Donatello. Here we take a scene to be of what's modified and whether or not Cressi has created some other success with its new computing device geared closer to novice divers. At first glance, it's difficult to work out exactly what Cressi has altered on its latest model. But dig a little deeper and you'll see the variations between the Donatello and the Leonardo are most without a doubt there. Both computer systems are watch style and use a single button for navigation. The enhancement in the menu shape on the Donatello makes it less complicated and faster to navigate through. Cressi has additionally brought a free-diving mode to cater to extra divers. One of the largest gripes divers have with the Leonardo, its vulnerable backlight. Cressi has listened to clients and upgraded the backlit display on the Donatello. Strong backlighting mixed with a crisp show makes analyzing the records you want vibrant and clear even when nighttime diving. Connecting the Leonardo to a PC and downloading the dive log requires a cable and adapter. Although Donatello additionally requires you to buy an extra interface kit, Cressi has performed away with the want for a cable. Connection to a PC, Mac, or clever machine is now executed by way of Bluetooth so you can wirelessly join and switch data. Main specifications and features include display. It has excessive distinction with extra large digits. 4 modes. The 4 modes are Air, Nitrox, Freediver, and Gauge. This dive computer has an easy-to-access menu with one-button navigation. This is the bright backlit display, surf time, no-fly time, and desaturation calculator. Now, it's time to look at the next one. So, let's check what we have at number 2. Number 2, Garmin Descent G1 Solar. In comparison with the MK2 model, the G1 Solar is a huge leap forward in strength and wearability even though it sacrifices some significant features. With an extra compact construct and prolonged battery lifestyles that enhance a built-in solar system charging feature, the G1 Solar provides a new factor of class to the Garmin Descent series. Garmin narrowed down the display from 52mm to a lot greater manageable 45mm and swapped a heavy metal construct for a lighter, greater impact-resistant fiber-reinforced polymer. Our favorite characteristic is the solar support, which notably extends the battery lifestyle of smartwatch functions. Garmin claims that customers can anticipate 25 hours of backside time for diving, and up to 4 months between expenses when used simply as a smartwatch. Though the gun may also take a little bit of a hit on an underwater charge, the everyday performance is almost 8 instances longer than the MK2. The main specifications are still a fully realized smartwatch and dive PC hybrid, comparably large smartwatch battery life, significantly much less costly than the Descent MK2, geared closer to existence that consists of diving as a substitute than something dive-specific. Crystal clear display particularly in dive mode. That's all for this one. Now let's check the next best wrist dive computer that we have on our list. Number 3, Shearwater Taric. The Shearwater Taric is Shearwater's first foray into a watch-sized dive computer. Don't let its diminutive size fool you, as the Taric is a no-nonsense, full-spec dive computer with multiple features that can handle even the most advanced dives. It has all the modes you want, which include leisure and even free-diving. Unlike some computers, the free-diving mode hasn't been introduced as an afterthought. Instead, it's designed to meet the wishes of even high-level aggressive free-divers. It additionally appears suitable out of the water as a very fashionable watch that wouldn't be out of vicinity in the boardroom. The main features are: it has a bright full-color 1.39 and 3.5 cm AMOLED display, It has a stainless metal bezel and sapphire crystal screen. 200 650 FT crush proof. It includes 5 configurable dive modes. This dive computer has 2 adjustable layouts for every dive mode. Now, let's check the second last product on today's list. Number 4. Suunto Zoop Novo. In 2010, Suunto launched the Zoop, which went on to come to be one of the world's best-selling entry-level dive computers. The Suunto Zoop Novo is the successor to the famous model. Similar to the Authentic, however, with introduced capabilities, the Zoop Novo is certain to hold Suunto at the forefront of the market. The main features are 5 modes: off, air, nitrox, gauge, and free-diving, a built-in dive planner, full non-stop decompression algorithm, innovative timer for free-diving, timer in air and nitrox modes, user-changeable battery, backlit screen, graphical logs and dive, facts well matched with each PC and Mac, 4-button interface. Usually, the typical format wouldn't be a key function and purpose to purchase a dive computer, but in the Zoop Novo's case, it's a massive plus. The screen is big at 4 cm 1.33 inches in diameter and is included through hard acrylic, which will greater than face up to the atypical knock. The large clear digits make the Zoop Novo handy to study even for these of us with getting old eyes. It can appear a bit cumbersome and you wouldn't put on it as an everyday wristwatch. But let's face it, it's a dive computer you prefer to buy. For functionality, practicality, and durability, the Zoop Novo format is ideal. The Zoop Novo additionally lets you exchange the altitude putting, which will alter the computer's decompression calculations. The default is 0300M 0980 FT and can be modified to 300-1500M 984,900 FT or 1500 3000M 4900 9800 Ford. Number 5. Garmin Descend MK2 and MK2i. This is a cool dive computer with consumer expertise that was once clear to see and use before, during, and after the scuba dive. The remarkable multi-sport performance is really dazzling, each for the wide variety of things to do and the depth of info. Backcountry skiing, cruising with built-in tide charts, skydiving, and kayaking are some of the loopy quantities of things to do this computing device is designed to track. Expectations have been excessive after the success of the unique Descend Mark I, which appeared to come highly shut to hitting the candy spot between a dive computer and an everyday smartwatch. The upgraded performance of the MK2i each as a dive computer and as a multisport smartwatch overcame our preliminary skepticism. Main features: an advanced watch-style dive computer with a 1.4 shade sunlight readable show 36% larger than the preceding model. 6 dive modes as nicely as multi-GNSS help and ABC sensors, which include an underwater compass that recognizes each and every section of your dive from entry to exit. GPS monitoring does no longer work underwater. Enhanced wrist-based coronary heart price estimates and PulseOx lets you keep and evaluate statistics from up to 200 dives proper on your wrist and share and overview dives in the Garmin Dive app downloaded to your paired like-minded smartphone. Battery life, up to 80 hours in dive mode, up to 16 days in smartwatch mode, and up to 15 hours in GPS mode with the song. This is it for today. I hope you will like all these shared products. Do let me know about your favorite one. And yes, don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. We'll be back soon with another interesting video. Till then, subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. Links of today's shared products are given in the description box, so you can check them for further details.